If you drive a diesel vehicle and want to maximize fuel economy, engine performance, and longevity, using a quality diesel fuel additive is a smart investment. Here are 5 of the best options available this year. Starting off the list is Hot Shot's Secret Diesel Extreme. This is one of the most complete and trusted fuel additives on the market. Its 6-in-1 formulation not only boosts cetane levels by up to 7 points, but also cleans injectors, removes internal diesel injector deposits, disperses moisture, and improves lubricity. One of the most appealing aspects of Diesel Extreme is how effective it is during deep clean cycles. Users often report increased MPG and more responsive acceleration after just one treatment. It's ideal for older or high-mileage diesel engines in need of a performance reset, as well as newer engines that require consistent maintenance. Whether you're prepping for a long haul or simply want to improve cold starts, Hot Shot's Diesel Extreme is a powerhouse solution that covers all critical areas. Next, we have the ARCHOIL AR6500 diesel treatment. This product is especially popular among diesel truck owners and performance enthusiasts due to its aggressive ketane boost of up to 8 points. What makes AR6500 stand out is its highly concentrated formula that not only enhances combustion efficiency but also improves throttle response, reduces engine noise, and protects fuel system components. It's also known to reduce DPF regions and soot buildup, making it a great choice for modern diesel engines equipped with emission system. Another key advantage is its ability to improve lubricity by over 40%, which helps prolong the life of high-pressure fuel pumps and injectors. Used with every fill-up, AR6500 is a premium solution that delivers both short-term performance gains and long-term engine health benefits. The third product on the list is STANADYNE Performance Formula, one of the most trusted names in the diesel community. Recommended by major engine manufacturers, STANADYNE's formula is particularly known for its superior lubricity enhancement and stability performance. It contains detergents that clean and protect injectors while stabilizing fuel for long-term storage. What's also notable is that STANADYNE is one of the few additives that meet or exceed Cummins L10 and other industry specs for lubricity, making it a reliable choice for protecting CP4 pumps that are known to be failure-prone without proper fuel treatment. The performance formula also boosts cetane for better cold starts and reduce smoke, making it an all-season performer trusted by professionals. Coming in at number 4 is OPTI-LUBE XPD, a high-performance diesel additive engineered for maximum fuel system protection and combustion efficiency. This product consistently ranks among the best in independent fuel additive testing. It offers significant lubricity improvements, often considered the best in class, and enhances cetane ratings while simultaneously cleaning injectors. What makes OPTI-LUBE XPD a favorite among diesel mechanics and fleet operators is its noticeable impact on MPG, throttle response, and engine smoothness. Although it's priced higher than some competitors, it provides measurable improvements in performance and protection that justify the cost, especially for high-demand diesel engines used in towing, hauling, or commercial driving. Rounding out our top 5 is Power Service Diesel Clean plus Cetane Boost. This additive is a staple for many diesel drivers and is often praised for its accessibility and reliability. It boosts cetane levels by up to 6 points and improves fuel lubricity, helping to reduce wear on injectors and fuel pumps. What makes Diesel Clean particularly attractive is its dual use in both summer and winter conditions. It provides cleaner combustion, reduces smoke, and helps with smoother idling and better acceleration. It's widely available and competitively priced, making it a perfect entry-level option for anyone looking to maintain their diesel engine without getting into more expensive premium treatment.